everybody, this is John, and I'm sitting in my store, and I got a return today. I'm pretty excited. Not. This is a pretty crazy story. I thought I'd make a video about it, all on its very own. I think that it's kind of an interesting story. I sell a lot of stuff. I'm one of those everything eBay sellers. I sell a little bit of everything on eBay. And everything includes what's in this box. And inside of this box is a bunch of slides. I had a whole slide projector full of old slides. And that's cool. I had them listed in the slide projector, the slide tray. And that's the way I was going to sell them. Well, Mr. Buyer here purchased this box of slides from me and said, I don't want the slide tray. Maybe you can make the shipping cheaper. And I'm like, that sounds like a good idea. Let's see if we can make the shipping cheaper. Long story short, I get the guy a better deal on shipping, ship the item to him, and guess what he does? He gets it, and as soon as he gets it, he opens up a return because he said he just didn't like them. Now, to me, that's pretty crazy because I said that they were just family photos. It was nothing spectacular. There was no trains, planes, and automobiles. But what I think the guy did is I think that he got them. He looked through them and he realized that, hey, they're just family photos, so I don't want them. So what's he going to do? He's going to stick it to old John. He's going to try to screw me by sending me this item back. And I am just so unhappy about it because I had him in a nice little carousel, tried to do the guy a solid, and he sticks a knife right in my back. So what we're going to do is we're going to open this, and we're going to just see what's in here. I'm going to guess they're just slides. Did he take some? I have no idea. I couldn't prove it if he did. And what's eBay going to tell me to do? Eat it. They're going to say, well, you look like you lost a little weight, John, so maybe you just need to eat some slides. Maybe you need to take a big old bite and see what's in the box. So we're going to open the box. We're going to look in here. I don't know if I had to pay for the return label because it was a I just don't like it type thing. But you open it up, you look in here, and it is just a bunch of slides. I don't know. I mean, they look like slides to me. Did he take some? I have no idea. Do I care? Not in the least bit. Don't care. They're probably just going to go, out to the trash because you know what? I don't want to mess with them. I'm not going to take more pictures of them, so what do you do? What do you do? Well, I don't think I had to pay the return shipping on that because he decided he didn't like them. So, because he said he didn't like them, I'm hoping that I didn't pay the return shipping. I'm going to have to look through my little lists of eBay fees that they like to charge me. And we're going to see. I'm going to see if they did. But I can tell you what I'm not going to do. I'm going to refund him. I got to refund him. But I'm not going to give him his original shipping back because he wanted to be wishy-washy. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. Would you have given this guy his original shipping back? Am I being a little dramatic? I don't know. I just wanted to make a real quick video and show you guys open up the box of slides on camera. I'm not going to throw them away. They're over there laying in the floor, and they're okay. They got tossed, but they'll be fine. I'll just take a picture of them, throw them back up on eBay. But this guy's getting blocked. He's going to my block bidders list. You're not going to screw me like that and be able to buy something from me again in the future. It's just not going to happen. So, he's going to go to my block bidders list. He will not be able to buy anything from me anymore. He lost the shipping back to me. He lost the original shipping, and the only thing I'm going to refund that guy is the original purchase price and call it a day. So, that's just part of dealing with eBay. I'm a little dramatic. I just made the video kind of in jest and fun. But in reality, it's just part of the deal. Today I sold a target top for a C6 Corvette. I paid $5 for it. Sold it for $800. I had to package it, get it ready to go. I'm going to take it home. It's going to go out UPS tomorrow. And you know what? There's bigger fish to fry. That was like probably 20 bucks, I think. That's what the guy paid for him. So I'm not going to cry over spilled milk. I'm not going to do it. If you're here to watch me cry, then you just need to go down and hit the thumbs down button, because John Johnson is not going to cry for anybody over spilled milk and old slides. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you would, go down below, maybe hit that like button. Maybe even subscribe to the channel if you like me, if you think I'm handsome. Like my glasses. These are just reader glasses because I'm wearing contacts now. And I'm an old man. And when I take the glasses off, I can still see the screen, but like I can't read anything. So I wear them because it makes me look sophisticated. I don't know. But go down below, hit that like button, and you guys have a good day. God bless you guys. Keep on digging, keep on picking. And remember, the family that picks together sticks together. God bless you guys.